When it comes to baking at home, there are 3 tips that I would always recommend that you stick by. Rule number 1, room temperature ingredients are your best friend. They mix better, they blend better together, they help to rise much better in the oven, and it'll also stop your cakes from looking like something from the Alps. Rule number 2, weigh everything. Cups can sometimes lie. Okay, I said it. Hold my hands up, I said it. Cups sometimes lie, scales do not. So use those scales and weigh those ingredients really accurately. Baking is a science, it needs to be accurate. So make sure you weigh those ingredients. And rule number 3, trust timings, but also trust your eyes. Golden edges, beautiful rising, all that kind of thing, keep an eye on it in the oven. But also be patient. Don't be tempted to open the oven when baking a cake because it'll immediately just sink. So be patient. And that's my 3 top tips for baking at home.